Glass doors are an excellent choice for office spaces. They bring a sense of brightness, openness, and closer connection between employees. But security and privacy are also important in the workplace. For more security and peace of mind, I recommend the NGTeco Smart Glass Lock. It's easy to install by yourself, without damaging the glass. You can set up fingerprints and passwords to unlock it. With a display screen and voice prompts, it's even easier to use.
The lock is open.
And if you're focused on your work, and a colleague needs something from you, you can unlock it remotely, without even leaving your seat. With NGTeco Smart Glass Lock, empowering your workspace with security, privacy, and elegance.